Okay, the first chapter that your students will do in IB is called Quantitative Chemistry. Most of your students would have done this in their earlier education, whether it's IGCSE, O-level or whatever. So you are supposed to say whatever.
Yeah.
So what you need to do is to refresh their memory. Okay? So there are a few things that you need to make sure that your students are okay in. Okay, one is they need to be able to deduce chemical formula given the word formula. Okay, for example, they need to know that when we say nitric acid, we meant HNO3. Or when we say it's iron 2 chloride, they know it's FeCl2. Okay, it's very important. The next thing that they need to be able to do is balancing equation. Okay, for normal chemical reactions, they should have done it earlier. But in IB, there is one part that is probably new to them. That's when the reaction involves reduction and oxidation. Okay. So probably this is one part that you have to go through with them more thoroughly. So these are the two important preliminary knowledge that your children or your students should know. Okay. Then after that, you need to run through the formulas with them. Okay. I usually teach my students saying that the whole thing in quantitative chemistry, everything revolves around number of moles. So I will take number of moles as my center, and there are many ways that you can calculate your number of moles depending on the data given to you. Okay. For example, if you're given the number of particles, okay, you can get number of moles from Avogadro's number. Okay, if you're given the mass, the number of moles will be mass over molar mass. If you're dealing with gaseous molecules, then it will be volume in dm cube over 24 dm cube. Okay, assuming we are in room temperature and pressure. Okay, and one last one, if you're working with solutions, which the students will deal with a lot, especially when we reach the titration, will be concentration times volume. But take note that this volume is not the same as the gaseous volume. Of course, this is your solution, volume of solution. Okay? And after that, you can give a lot of sample questions. You can run through with them how you do the questions, and they should be able to learn from there. Can you pause? I have other things to say.